Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not playing on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve not playing on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.